Welcome back. There was a few other little things I needed to do before I could put the SR into the car. One of those things I'm about to start slash already did start because, well, I'm used to just getting into it and not pulling out my camera, but rack bushings. So these I don't think are easy to do with the engine in the car. So I'm just pulled the trigger, ordered some, and I decided to do them right now. As you can see, I'm about to get off the passenger side, and then we're gonna do the driver's side in just a second. I decided not to go solid because, I don't know, on my 350Z, I had solid bushings for basically everything, and I didn't like how that felt. It made the car feel, I don't know. So poly everything this time around on the 240. I think I'll enjoy the feel of that for a more street style feel. But yeah, let's get these bushings in and get into it. Just like that. We're gonna pop off the driver's side now and do that bushing too. Yeah, I'm trying to know the torque spec on these because this one ain't cutting it. So we're gonna switch to the big boy over here. It'll break it loose. Bam. Think it's in. Something like that, right? Ooh, shit. There we go. Ooh. Rack is torqued down 75 foot-pounds, and that means this is ready to go in, I guess. I don't really have anything else to do. I put the mounts on the motor already. I don't know if I could do this by myself, so I will probably wait for my friend this weekend to come give me a hand on it. But I have so much time left in today that I'm so tempted to just try it by myself. I mean, we all know what the worst that can happen is, so. Such a bad idea. My main problem with making YouTube videos is I forget, not even forget, I just don't pick up the camera. I like to get to work, and I was putting in my rack bushings, which you just saw, and then I finished, and I was like, that's all I need before my engine can go in the car. And I was originally gonna wait till Sunday for a friend to help, but I put the chains on the motor and I pulled out my stand. I mean my hoist, and now the SR is in the car. So yeah, I kind of jumped the gun a little, but I did it at the same time because it was ready to go, and I knew I could do it myself. I didn't really need an extra hand. I just put it in. Yeah. So I just did the cross member and the motor mounts, and I'm just gonna put it back on the ground now. I just finished kind of sweeping up and stuff. I like to clean up as much as I can while I work on my cars in here because it's nice to keep a tight space. But yeah, let's put it back on the ground just because I'm excited to see what it looks like on the floor. It's gonna make things look real. But these pipes are just mocked up right now. I just wanted to kind of see what it looked like and everything like that. I ran the wires through the firewall and I attached the fuse box bits of the harness. So just gonna plug in the MAF once I put oil in the motor and get a battery to try and fire it up. So yeah, that's all that's next to do, which means this thing's probably gonna be running pretty soon. Pretty soon. I'm excited to it's got an open diff, so I know I can't drift it, but I'm excited to just boost. But yeah, I'm gonna put it on the ground right now and let's see what it looks like. All right, guys, so the car's back on the ground. I think I showed that. The engine is in. Still a few things I need to do before I get it running. I'm going to drain the gas out of the tank because it's got like 87 or something in there. And I'm gonna put 91, some good premium. This thing's tuned for it. I'm gonna put on my new fuel filter. Gonna put my, actually everything else, basically, okay, to start it, I just need my oil cooler, I need my oil pressure sensor, and I need my AFR gauge, and the gas. That's what I'm gonna need for my first start, so that's what we're doing next time. Button up those last few things. We should get her fired up so I can, you know, just keep on moving. But yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you come back for more. For now, peace out.
My game to heaven begets. Cares around my neck. Bad bitches taking X. The chicks is nevertheless.